Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and it is a clearest day here at Aldi. Oh yes, we have a lot of great items today guys, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's go. So starting with the first item is this hydration backpack for $14.99. It comes in green, I guess the forest green and gray. The large collapsible pet pool is $24.99. Camping floor mat, $14.99. It's lightweight, breathable, and can be cut to size. Pet drying towel, $6.99. Oh my goodness, you know I love this. So it's this black and white, brown and white, yellow and more yellow, and green. Pet anxiety jacket, $7.49. Fruit or corn gadgets, they're $2.99. So this is a corn holder. You don't know you need it until you're eating corn, right? Kiwi slicer, corn peeler, yeah. And these are really pretty colors here. Meal preparation containers, $4.99. You get either 20 or a 30-piece meal prep container. Outdoor bed shoes, $16.99. They are for the men and the women. The men's sizes come in size 10 through 12, and the ladies in size 7 through 10. 3-in-1 foldable mat and lounge. It is $11.29. The tag is here, but the lounge is here. So yes. I'm glad I have 3 eyes. Yes, 14 and up on this one. Portable charcoal grill. This one is $14.99. Adventurage 3-in-1 camping light, $6.99. Another great one. Dan girls swimsuits, $7.49. The fashion earrings, they're $4.99. Father's Day cards, 74 cents. The last one. Flip top coolers, they're $14.99. I like this pretty pattern here. Really pretty. Crane giant 10-foot play parachute. It is $12.99. This tent fan is $14.99, and it also has a remote control and a light. And the light comes in amber, low, and high. $14.99. These are outdoor accent rugs, and they're on sale for $7.99. So yeah. Insulated tumblers, $5.99. We love when new finds go on sale quickly. So yes, yes, and yes. Huntington Home luxury 2-wick candles, they're $4.99. This 20-inch air circulator fan is $29.99. Wooden lawn dice, $12.99. Summer reversible box signs, $3.99. Here are the gnomes. You know we can't go anywhere without them. They're everywhere we go. Okay, so here's a pair of the window sheer curtain panels. You get a 2-pack. I did see the tag, but I didn't see the curtain. So they do have one still here. Let's see if I see that tag. Okay, yes. Breezy striped window sheers. They're $9.99. And this is the curtain. So let me just put it here, because I seen the tag, but I didn't see the curtain. So yes, $9.99. LED gnome or trucks, they're $9.99. Margarita glass candles, $5.99. It's gonna be these, and the only scent that they have left is this lime, the spicy lime Rita. Okay, now this is where it's getting good, guys. Can you believe the Sling folding chair, originally $25? It is on sale for $6.19. Oh yeah, here at Aldi, guys. And Huntington Home also have these reversible 5x7 indoor-outdoor area rugs. They're $10 now. The original price was $17. Yes. 29-ounce vacuum insulated tumbler. It is $7.99. This drink caddy is $9.69. Iced coffee maker, $14.99. Waterline insect zapper racket is $4.99. It's in blue, purple, and green. I think I see a black back there also, and it includes batteries as well. This 2-pack kites, they're $4.99. This 20 by 34 memory foam bath mat, it is $9.99. Feels really good. Oh yeah. So this pool hoops or wrist rockets, they're $12.99. Another summer fun game. Yes. This sprinkle and splash or twist and turn is $9.99. Crane chill mat, it is $19.99. 2 air chambers for greater stability. Rainbow or shark sprinkler is $19.99. Now I think this just came last week. Oh yeah, we will take it, right? Oh yeah. So this air lounger, I'm for sure this came last week, guys. It is $14.99. The men's swim trunks or shorts, $7.99. Stomp Rocket 100% kid powered. It is $14.99. Life vest, $9.99. So this one is, I know they had them for kids and adults last week, but it doesn't specify if it's for the kid or adults, but it says the Fluid Life vest is $9.99. Here we have an LED bike light set for $4.99. LED bike light set. It has the batteries as well. The adult and the kid helmets are still here for $14.99. The Cabana chair, it is $29.99. The 17-inch portable tabletop gas griddle, it is $69.99. Here's the tag. And here is the item. Medium collapsible pet pool, $12.99. Foldable chairs, they are $12.99. It comes in black, blue, and green. Alrighty guys, well that concludes our clearance video here at Aldi. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you all here. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.